UFrederick Coetzee nongumnini womzi owamkela iindwedwe noququzelela amatheko uthi indawo yakhe yasetyenziswa kusingatha itheko lesikhumbuzo sokuzalwa kukankosikazi Nomvula Mokonyane nowayefinca iminyaka engama-40 ngelo xesha. Kodwa ngethuba Mokonyane bevele phambi kwekomishoni wakuphika oku wama ngomlenze omnye.
I then got a call from Mr. Coetzee himself, asking me, for a quick meeting. He and somebody else from Busasa, which I can't recall her name, then came to the guest house itself, inquiring to do this function, also informing me who the function would be for, as well as stating, to answer your question, that Busasa will be paying for the entire event.
And who did he say the function was going to be for?
It was for then Minister Safety and Security, Nomvula Mokonyane.
Kusenjalo wayesakuba umncedisi wase-ofisini kankosikazi Nomvula Mokonyane uSandy Thomas khange abekho kule komishoni ngexesha bekufanele ukuba unikezela ngobungqina bakhe. Ujaji Zondo umtyityimisele umnwelo kaThomas.
Ms. Thomas, it's not good that you were not here at 9 o'clock. It's not acceptable. If someone says you must be in court or in the commission on a certain date at a certain time, unless you are sick, you are in hospital, you must be there. If you are going to ask that there be an adjournment, a postponement, you must first comply with the summons, because when you don't comply with the summons, that's a criminal offense.
Kulindeleke kuba lo kaThomas afake ubungqina bakhe obufungelweyo ngolwesihlanu kule komishoni ze avele phambi kwayo ngoMvulo.